नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिव समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the Sarvangjapeta Yajamans, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanidars, visitors, viewers, everyone who is sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, through hundreds of Adi Navasis channels, YouTube Live, and through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. Cities sitting with us, a long list. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. After the Environment Day evening rain manifestation, energy release and initiation, the Environment Day, which is today, I think yesterday, in 106 cities we named all over the world in our published document manifested heavy rain. In many places, I should say more than 60% of the places, rain was not predicted. To be precise, 74 places, there was no rain forecast. So, I'm very happy, not just because of rain, that Prakriti is healed. Prakriti is healing. That's the most beautiful thing. That Prakriti getting healed. Now I will expand on further initiations. I wanted to remind Sadashivatva participants, now who have become Adi Navasis, program is continuing. Please understand, still I have not even taken session on completing with others. Still, see, 4 components. Completion with yourself, completion with others, manifesting your reality, manifesting others' reality. All these 4 put together is only inner awakening. We have not even moved to second component. I have not led you in death process. I have not led you in health, wealth completions. I have not led you in manifesting your reality and others' reality. First things first. I have not led you into many processes, Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana processes. First, I wanted to drill the Sankhya software, thinking in tattvas, the Vedic agamic inner software, constantly thinking in integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. First of all, you need to know everything you do is enriching. And if you don't know something is enriching, don't do it. And if you know something is enriching, don't waste your time in confusion. Confusion is a crime. many things need to be cleared. Inner cobweb needs to be cleared. Too much cleaning up need to be done inside. The power of integrity again and again need to be drilled, so you don't get into this obsessive, compulsive, depressive patterns. The problem with the depressive patterns are, they are so self-destructive. I can neither show you compassion nor show you ferocious face. If I show you ferocious face, you will run away. If I show compassion, you will destroy yourself. If you sent a message and I am ignoring, understand you are in that position. This obsessive, compulsive, depressive patterns, constantly cherishing depression and feeling empty and lonely without depression. And it is so self-destructive. You can't be handled in any way. Guru cannot help you, because if he shows ferocious face, you were waiting for that, so to run away. If compassionate face is shown, you will think it's all right, it's okay to engage and entertain this thought current, because even if I entertain this thought current, I am only going to be cared and cajoled. So Guru cannot help you. That's the worst space to be in, where even he cannot help. The only way out is you drilling yourself with integrity and reducing the thickness of this depression by grinding, reducing the thickness of this depression. Understand? This morning 5-hour routine really does the magic of grinding you. Sometimes I used to wonder why. Please understand, Hinduism is such a religion. So many sampradayas, not only contradicting each other, many times opposing each other. That's the beauty of Hinduism. Hinduism, I don't want to say Hinduism does not have architecture, it has open architecture. Some gurus destroy Hinduism saying it does not have architecture. No. It has open architecture, not no architecture. Some fellows are trying to claim Hinduism has no book, no head, no. If you don't want to accept the head, say I don't accept. But don't say no head. Acharya Mahamandaleshwar of Akada Parishad. Akadas are the head of Hinduism. Vedas and Agamas are the source book of Hinduism. Of course, we are open architecture. We are open for new sampradayas to happen. I don't want to say we don't have architecture, and I don't want to say we are a closed architecture. No, we are open architecture. But there is an architecture. There is a system. Anyhow, let me come back to the point I wanted to convey, that Hinduism has so many sampradayas. many times contradicting, conflicting, almost opposing each other. There are very few truths accepted in all sampradayas of Hinduism. Om, cow, very few things. One is Om. All Hindu sampradayas agree. The sacredness of Om. You need to understand, even Vedas are not accepted by all the sampradayas of Hinduism. There are some Hindu sampradayas, Avaidikas, don't accept Vedas as the ultimate authority. But even they agree, Om, the sacredness of Om. The very few things Hindu sampradayas agree. All the Hindu sampradayas, Om, cow, sacredness of cow, waking up in the morning and doing spiritual practice. There is no sampradaya, Dakshinachara, Vamachara. For some, alcohol is poison. For some, that is a regular drink. There are sampradayas in Hinduism. Alcohol is the only thing they are supposed to drink during certain vows. But all the sampradayas, Dakshinachara, Vamachara, all stand on one: morning waking up and doing the spiritual practice, the Brahma Muhurta. All sampradayas agree. That is what is surprising. That's what is surprising. So even I was wondering, why? Only after I started teaching this and making people do this, when I see the growth of the people who follow this Brahma Muhurta spiritual routine and who don't follow, I understand the drastic difference. I tell you, if you just follow this morning 5 hours enough, you will have all Shaktis manifesting in you. Because all the obstacles for manifesting Shaktis, tiredness, boredom, pitta, fatigue, everything will be churned out in that morning 5 hours. You will curse literally everyone on the planet Earth for keeping you awake for that morning 5 hours. If you can manage that morning 5 hours spiritual routine, waking up like a flower and flowing into yoga like a flower in the breeze, cleaning yourself, detoxifying yourself. Understand? Our morning Panchakriya is not just taking bath. It is detoxification process, decalcification process. Applying vibhuti and kumkum is decalcification. Taking the jalabasti, neti, all that kriyas is detoxification. Detoxification, decalcification, put together is Panchakriya. Then connecting with Sadashiva in oneness, knowing that He is available here in the formlessness, form Sachalamurti, form Achalamurti. In all 3 forms, formlessness, form of Achalamurti and form of Sachalamurti. All these 3 beautifully Manikavasagar sings, Namaschivaya Valga, Nadantal Valga, இமைப்பொழுதும் என் நெஞ்சில் நீங்காதான் தாழ்வாழ்க, ஆகமம் ஆகி நின்று அன்னிப்பான் தாழ்வாழ்க, கோகழி ஆண்ட குருமனிதன் தாழ்வாழ்க. Gurumanidan means God in the form of man who rules the universe. I bow down to him. Agamam agi nindru annippan thalvazhga means he himself is Agama and he lives Agama. நமச்சிவாய வாழ்க, நாதந்தாள் வாழ்க, இமைப்பொழுதும் என் நெஞ்சில் நீங்காதாந்தாள் வாழ்க, கோகழி ஆண்ட குருமனிதந்தாள் வாழ்க, ஆகமம் ஆகி நின்று அன்னிப்பான் வாழ்க. The Lord who rules the universe appeared as a Gurumanidan, means in the form of Guru, in the human form, who appeared. I bow down to him. Gogaliyanda Gurumani Tan Thalvazhga. Knowing that he is available here in the form of formlessness, Achalamurti and Sachalamurti, and connecting, understand the morning puja is the most powerful Mandala Prasa Shaktipada. Melting your being, and then sitting and listening to the sacred truths, constantly inspiring, engaging, alive, awakening. Just this morning 5 hours, if you can bring integrity and authenticity, all the obstacles stopping you from power manifestation will disappear. Then you will have a power to cause others reality. Everything you will have. Think more and more and more in the language of integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching. That will only make these powers manifest what I am talking to you, teaching you as a reality. What I am teaching you will become reality only by this. Drilling yourself with the tattvas will remove all the fatigue, tiredness, everything out of your system. Even the yesterday's homework, I saw so many people doing. Suddenly I realized 90% of the people don't have listening. Because many did not even hear the satsang completely, which I repeat many of the truths. I was repeating again and again. But I could see, even if it is repeated, people miss. Very funny. Maybe you should listen to the yesterday's satsang once more and do the homework. Many did not do. Many who have done did not listen fully. Maybe once more listening and then doing the homework will really help a lot. After you do that, then I'll expand and explain. Jnana Vrata, more deeper, more elaborate. So, essence of today's satsang. Think more and more in the language of integrity so that you are out of this obsessive, compulsive, depressive patterns. Morning routine is Sadashiva. Morning 5 hours is for Sadashiva. Let us be integrated to Him. When you are giving your best to Him, He will give His best to you. That's it. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam. Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.